All right, I just got through changing out the running boards on my truck. Let me know your opinion of what you think about these running boards. Now, these things have a really nice texture to them. They've got a step up here in the middle, and then they also have a step up here towards the back. All right, I like the fact that they use the factory holes here on the pinch weld, and then back behind here, these are the factory holes. So there was no drilling, everything mounted right up. You mount these outside brackets, and then you mount this inside bracket, which makes this really sturdy. All right, so now I'm 250 pounds, and as you see, I can sit there and jump up and down on these. Very strong. It gives you a step to get up here on the roof if you need to. Definitely very well made. I noticed the welds are all really nice. The tubes are completely welded all the way around. Now, these are the official Ram running boards, and as you see, they come almost up to my knee. See, I'm 6 foot tall, and even with me being 6 foot tall, I have to reach, I'm lifting my leg up past 90 degrees to use these running boards. These are the factory ones. That is something that I like about the other ones. Now, the truck is sitting on this little ledge here, so it's more exaggerated. But when I was on flat ground, I measured these sit about 2 inches lower for you to reach your step up. But if you look straight underneath, these are no lower than what my rails are coming from my suspension. So it does not reduce my ground clearance at all, but it does make it for shorter people a lot easier for them to get into the truck. Which I didn't realize that these will fit the 1500s from 2009 all the way up to whenever they went from the 4th gen to the 5th gen. And then on the 5th gen, they'll do what they call the classic. And then they fit the 2500, which is what this is, from like 2009 up to this is a 2026. If you have a different model, I'm sure they sell the same style for pretty much any vehicle, Jeep, truck. So they were nice enough to send me a discount code. So if you're interested, check it out. I think it's like 20%. It'll be down in the description. But so far, everything about these was really nice. The packaging was really well. They were bubble wrapped individually, and all the hardware was in individual packets, so that the instructions and the installation probably took about 30 minutes on this set of boards. Looking at maybe an hour for both sets. Real simple process. So until next time, I hope everybody has a wonderful day.